Whoa, come stai? You doing okay, Katie? I mean, honestly, I'm pretty bummed because Italy's about to go into another lockdown for Christmas. We can't even leave the apartment unless we absolutely have to, and when we do, we have to fill out this form in case the police stop us. Yeah, but lockdown Christmas in Italy is gonna be great. I mean, think of all the delicious things you can make and all of the sweets you can eat. I did a grocery store haul ahead of this lockdown, and I didn't really know what I was going to make, but I knew that it would be delicious. And that moment of inspiration caused me to live the rest of lockdown with a camera in one hand and a fork in the other. This is the last time you'll see me wearing makeup and real trousers the rest of this video. Am I even wearing trousers right now? This pumpkin risotto. This beautiful zucca that I got from the market. So there's a pumpkin bread I really want to make. I think I'm just gonna get this entire half pumpkin. Also, it's beautiful. I roasted it until it was nice and mushy. So I made pumpkin bread with some of it. And now I'm doing this pumpkin risotto with gorgonzola, but the gorgonzola goes in at the last minute. So now is just the stirring, drinking my rosé and stirring for about an hour. Now we plate up. It's really that simple. It's just time consuming, but it's really simple. Not that many ingredients. A little salt and pepper to finish it up. In Italy, both of these are plates. This is a piatto, this is a piatto. However, this is a piatto fondo, so it's a deep plate. This is what's used for soups, pastas, piatto piano. We don't want piatto piano for this.
I know, I didn't get it, that's why I didn't get it out.
I know, you're so good, Connor.
Alright, that's enough.
Yeah, we're gonna have leftovers.
We always have leftovers because there's only 2 of us.
That's true. It's also really good with some fresh rosemary on top, but we don't have that. So we'll do extra gorgonzola.
Katie's dinner looks great, but remember that your timer went off in the middle of making dinner?
This is like so typical, it's ridiculous. Okay, well, prep for tomorrow night's dinner. Got this dough. It has old fermented really, really nicely. So, time to shape. Getting the dough from the bowl to the countertop is where a bench scraper really comes in handy. Don't have that because it's in storage in London right now. But it's okay, you can make do. It's not the end of the world. I'm really happy with how this dough feels. It feels so nice. Feels good.
Right, pervert.
No, what? You're the perv. Nice taut skin. She's a beaut and she's ready to ferment overnight now. This is as full as our fridge has been in a long time. Oh my, because it's Christmas and lockdown. Let's eat. Merry Christmas Eve. Cheers.
Really good?
I'm happy. Merry Christmas Eve, said the elf.
What's for dessert?
Oh, I got that ice cream from Lula. All right, time to go into the living room to watch the Christmas Eve movie. Connor's setting it up right now. He swears that Die Hard is a Christmas film. Agree or not agree? Leave a comment below.
Look at the coast, we get together, have a few laughs.
Merry Christmas morning! The first thing I do, always, tradition in my family, is make hot chocolate. And then because I'm an adult, I'm making a little bit of coffee too in my mocha pot. And I'm just gonna add just a little bit of coffee. My little Christmas pick-me-up. The kitchen smells so lovely, so lovely. Here's a fun Christmas time, or really just like winter season hack for you. Just water in a pot, and then cinnamon sticks and cloves, and just bring it up to a simmer and just let it simmer like for hours. And it just makes the whole place smell so lovely and holiday-y and cozy. And then we always do toast, and Connor got some of the Norwegian cheese that we had there a couple years ago.
Yeah, I've got here some Gudbrandsdalen. But anyways, this is kind of what you and I know as brunost, or we call brunost because that's what it was called when we got it. It's very potent. It's like this Norwegian brown cheese made from whey. It's like very like caramely and what you say like umami.
Yeah,
but,
it's like sweet and savory.
a little goes a long way. Peel it thin. But anyways, we first had this like 2 Christmases ago when you and I stayed above the Arctic Circle to stay in that crazy cabin.
Yeah. But we saw the Northern Lights.
We saw the Northern Lights for 15 minutes, but for like the whole week it was cloudy.
But we ate a bunch of this
But we
cheese.
ate a bunch of this, so it was almost as good as the Northern Lights. But anyways, you gotta like spread it really thin. And luckily our kitchen came furnished with this cheese thing. So I'm gonna use that. But yeah, this is really good on toast with butter, is what I like to do. When you're above the Nordic Circle, you need all that fat to keep you warm. Or when you're in the Adriatic.
Or when you're in southern Italy.
Like us. It gets pretty melty pretty quick. Merry Christmas.
Buon Natale.
Buon Natale.
Have a cheesy, cheesy Christmas. Lots of hot cocoa too. There's no snow cause we're in southern Italy. But that's okay.
Hey!
Connor and I just opened presents. I'm going to stay on theme here and show you all of the food related things that we got each other. So starting with the one and only Italian mocha pot, which is, yes, how I've been drinking coffee here in Italy. He also got me this book in Italian, which I have been wanting ever since I heard about it. A che ora si mangia, all about the meal times in a given day, specifically lunch and dinner, and how that has changed over the centuries, and how the times we eat in a day are cultural constructs. I cannot wait to read this. It's gonna be good Italian practice. I've already dug into the first little bit, and yeah, this is fascinating stuff. And he got me knives. A lot of knives. This is the best gift ever because I was working with one real knife that wasn't like a butter knife in this rental apartment. I was trying to cut a big zucca, a big pumpkin with it for the pumpkin risotto that you saw. This was the knife I was working with. That happened. And then shortly after, that happened. I went from having one meh knife to really no knife. Italian knives, look at that. So that's very appreciated. Our friends from London, Nathaniel and Charlotte, also gifted us Christmas knives. I'm just like dancing around in a kitchen of knives, which as a cook, I don't hate.
Best Christmas present ever. So much sriracha. This is the, I'll say OG. I know that it has origins in Southeast Asia, but this is the stuff from California that I love. Hoi Fong original. It took me like a year before I could find this stuff in London. I have found the Asian products and cuisine in our smaller city in Puglia to be particularly lacking. The grocery stores have basically soy sauce, and the one hot sauce that we could find on the store shelves is Tabasco, which won't cut it for a connoisseur like me. So this is great. This is a game changer.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Oh.
Oh wow.
This is really freaking epic. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, look at that. It's so beautiful. Oh my god, it smells so good. It's not an Italian Christmas without a panettone. Oh, it's chocolate bread.
Are those hunks of chocolate?
Yes. Oh my god.
Merry Christmas.
Mwah, 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 mwah. Time to prep for dinner, and that means shaping my sourdough and letting it do its final proofing. Christmas just so happens to be on a Friday, and you know what Friday night is in this household. It's pizza night, so I'm doing something to like shake it up a little bit. I'm trying a new dish that I've heard of. It's a very traditional, typical dish from Naples. So it is a Neapolitan pizza alla scarole. Basically a pizza dough, but then it's like stuffed, so calzone-esque. But you'll see it's not a calzone, it's definitely different. And I had been working on the dough since yesterday. It has black olives in it, usually scarole, but what I'm doing is subbing that out for a broccoli rabe type of green called chimerirapa, which is abundant here. So I was like, okay, let's use that for the green. I just blanked on the name. I was thinking in Italian, ooh, how good is that? It has acciughe, which is anchovies. It also has capers. And then I went to put the top portion of dough on and it ripped. I'm just not sure what happened with this dough. I was super bummed, but thought quickly on my feet, and instead of making a typical looking pizza al scarole, I decided to fashion it into a Santa Claus, Babbo Natale. Oh, this says egg wash. It's not too late. Let's take it out.
And his first facial at the spa.
Hey! Oh, Babbo Natale, you lucky dude.
Don't tell him that we just forgot that you were supposed to do an egg wash until after the end.
Yeah, I won't tell him. Whew. So good. Hi, Babbo Natale. Thanks for joining our party. Chimerirapa leaves.
Green beard like Santa has.
Totally normal. These are anchovy lips, a dough nose with caper nostrils, tomato passata rosy cheeks, black olive eyes with caper pupils, chimerirapa eyebrows to match the beard.
Yeah.
And of course, the signature Santa hat with mozzarella lining.
Way to turn frumpy dough into a work of art, Katie.
Well, thank you. It's called improv cooking, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see how it tastes. This is great.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, really good.
Chin chin.
Cheers. Merry Christmas.
The morning after Christmas, The Princess Bride was playing on TV, in Italian of course. And I reached for the panettone that my brother got us. The traditional panettone has candied fruit and raisins and nuts. Connor's not a huge fan of that, so we were gifted a version with chunks of chocolate and chestnuts. Good morning. Happy Boxing Day, we would say, if we still lived in the UK. It's so light. It's like, pretty much melts on your tongue. Like, I barely have to chew. There's a chestnut chunk in there though. Panettone really is like perfection with a cup of coffee in the morning. Yeah, this is gonna be a part of my Christmas tradition from now on. Que bueno.
Katie's trying to get crunk.
I'm trying to get crunked. No, just kidding. I'm just really curious about how these taste. We have 2 more in the fridge, so.
We're gonna drink those too?
No, what I'm saying. Another occasion. Okay.
You got these for me for Christmas
Yeah.
because you're the best, and I've been curious if there were any local microbrews. They make a Belgian style blonde, and then I want to try this British strong ale.
Is it because you miss London?
Because I miss London.
Ooh, that's sexy.
Nice color. Yeah, dude. That's good.
Oh, mi piace. Just at the grocery store or whatever, I have not seen a beer like this. It's all Pilsner.
Are they bloggers?
And lagers. Okay, thank you. Pilsners and lagers. This is awesome. Connor, you might not get this back.
Oh, yeah. That's good. Caramely.
Oh, that's nice. This is the ideal anytime evening hang, drink, and bite situation.
These things are dangerous.
They're crunchy and salty, and They're a pugliese specialty. Just what the doctor ordered. Now we're ready for our Zoom hang with friends. It's just like we're at a bar, kind of. And for dinner this evening, I'm making gnocchi alla sorrentina. Hand making the potato gnocchi. Let's do this. Gnocchi alla sorrentina. It's really excellent. It's so simple, but really delicious. And this is like fatta in casa from start to finish. So that's really fun. Excellent. If I do say so myself. Yay, that lockdown's over, but now we have like 2 days before another lockdown. Anyway, thank you for hanging out with us. Thanks for eating all that delicious stuff with us. Happy New Year, happy 2021. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to keep it quirky. I'll see you back here real soon. Bye.